Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. So y'all, I just took off this wig. I've been wearing this wig every single day. This is my my first wig bob unit that I wear so much, y'all, and she is tired, but she still looks so good. When I tell you this wig looks so good, I can bring her back to life with no problem. Let me show you. I'm not gonna glue it on, but I've had this wig for over a year. I would have to like fix it up. The lace still melt to this day. All you have to do is just like fix it up and comb it out. Anywho, y'all get the point. These wigs last a long time. But girl, I got me a fresh one. It's that season. It's bob season. I just dyed her. She was like a 1B2, but y'all know I like my hair to be jet black, so I did dye her. Ooh. When I tell you they bobs be everything and more. And the cool thing about this bob, it comes with the drawstring. So easy to put on. I'm gonna just tighten the drawstring really tight, just so it can be nice and snug. Make sure everything is laid down on my hair. Oh, fresh bob, fresh bob. She's a little longer. I probably will cut her a little bit because I like my bobs to be cut. And the cool thing about these bobs from my first wig, the parts are so long, y'all. So if I don't want to wear it as a pushback, I can wear it as a middle part. Let me show y'all. Look how long the part is. And the longer the part, the better. It makes your hair look super, super natural. Your hair, y'all. So anywho, you don't have to glue this down, but y'all know me. I stay in Florida. I'ma always glue my units down just to get that fresh, beautiful, flawless look. I'm so excited for this unit because I love me a fresh bob wig. Now this unit do come, it comes pre-plucked, pre-plucked, and also pre-bleached, so you don't have to worry about your unit not being bleached because they already gonna bleach it for you. I'm just gonna cut a little of the ear tabs off just so it can fit my head a little more. I always have to do that with my wigs, so I just cut a little bit off like this, just a little bit, because it's just like that, just so it can fit my head. Leave the ear out. One thing about my first wig, you do not have to worry about like, oh my gosh, is my lace gonna be clockable? It ain't really clockable, sis. It's always looking so natural. Now with this unit, I highly recommend that you don't put makeup on the hairline. Once you start putting makeup on the hairline, it makes the lace look too thick. So I don't put anything on the hairline. I just leave it the way it is. I feel like that just works better for this type of, with my first wig. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this side as well, just so it can lay really good on my head, and I'll be right back. Let me cut it, and then I'm gonna like glue it down, guys, because I want it to fit my hair perfectly. So I'm gonna put a very thin layer of this glue on my forehead. Now with my wigs, I don't like them to be too far on my forehead. I used to put my wigs too far. Now I don't like it that far up. I like to like just have it like a natural, like not too far above my natural hairline. So excited to put on a new bob unit. And the cool thing about this bob unit, it has a drawstring, so baby, it's gonna be so secured. Now if you don't want to glue your hair down, I do recommend that you use some type of adhesive on the edges, I mean on the ear tab, and just tighten the drawstring and you should be good to go. But me, y'all know I always glue mine down just to get that like flawless melt, and then I keep this on for about 3 days. I'm gonna take the even Sport Edition lace bond spray. So if you don't want to use a glue, you could definitely use this waterproof maximum hold even lace spray. You can find this at your local beauty supply store. You can also find it on Amazon. I'm gonna mix it with the glue like that. Not too much. Sometimes I just spray it on my finger and just put it over. It's gonna give it a tighter hold. You don't want to spray too much, y'all. And you can get this on your edges. It's not going to do nothing. So I usually just push this back in the edges, like the ear tab side. Okay. Then I'm going to wait till this get like kind of tacky, all the way tacky and all the way dry. Then we're going to go ahead and push it on, okay? I don't like my hairline to be too far up. So I tell myself, not too far up, Bree. I don't like it. That's when I be like, oh no, this look like a wig. Due to the fact that I wear my natural hair now, I do not like when the unit be too far up. It just don't look right to me. I didn't really notice it much because I used to wear units all the time, but now it's like I notice when it's too far up. And I don't like it like that. It needs to look like natural. So as you guys can see, I'm working with one side first. Looking in the mirror, making sure that's not too far up. And I'll pluck it a little bit more. And then I'm gonna do this side. Making sure it's not too far up. Alright, I'm going to hold this down a little bit, y'all. I'm going to let it melt and do what it needs to do. Let it cook in. But y'all see how that lace just looks so flawless? Now, everything is not glued completely. I'm just going to go back and do some tedious work to make sure everything is glued in. But I'm going to blow dry this off camera and just make sure that everything is nice and tight. Okay, so I'll be right back, y'all. Let me go ahead and like just add a little bit more glue in certain spots. Okay, all right guys, so the unit is on my head. I did hot comb it a little bit in the front just so we don't be here all day, but the unit is on my head. I did not style it yet. Y'all know with the bobs you could wear it like a pushback how I wear mine. I like mine to be like a little effortless pushback moment, like a flip over moment, like this. You can wear it like that, kind of like that. This would be a cute little vibe. I would like this to be like shorter though, but this is cute. The hair flats iron really nicely, y'all. I already flat ironed it on the mannequin head, but it really flats iron nicely. So here is the hair like this. Go wear it with the part on the side. I don't like my part super defined. But if you wanted to put like a little part on the side just so it can look a little bit more, you know, neat, this would be a really cute look here. You can make it come on your face a little bit more. You can make the hair on your face a little bit more. This is like perfect for the summertime. I feel like this part still isn't straight, but I'm just kind of giving you guys an example. You want to make sure that the part go all the way back, guys. That's going to give you that natural look. I need a new comb because I need a comb. So you could do a part down the middle like that, and then you know, you want to make sure you hot comb it. If you're gonna do a part down the middle, you want to make sure you hot comb it just so it can lay flat. Wherever your part at, you want to make sure that you hot comb it there. I always tuck my hair behind the ear, y'all. It's just my thing. I just love how effortless it look with the little tuck. Now you have your part down the middle. So as you guys can see, I just did like 3 different hairstyles. If you are looking for a summer hairstyle, I highly recommend that you check out this unit. And the fact that it has a drawstring, girl, your lace is gonna lay really, really flat. And this hair right now is long enough to put in like a bun. If I wanted to wear it in a bun, I can. You can wear it up and a little claw clip, but you can wear this up in a you can wear this in a slit back bun because it's enough hair. So if I wanted to wear it as a slit back bun, you know, I could too. That's why I don't know if I'm gonna cut it. Cause if I wanted to wear it in a bun, I can. So it's different ways you can wear this bob. Okay guys, so this is it. I kept a very natural hairline. Look at that. I'll probably shave more off. I like a very natural hairline. Very natural hairline, barely there. Make sure you guys check out my first wig for this flawless bob look. Look at the hairline. That looks so good, and it's gonna look even better once it like melt and I tie it down. I didn't tie my hair down yet, so it's not as flawless as it can be, but it's cute. Fresh bob. It's bob season, so make sure you guys check them out. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching.